a trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the chill the autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. Seems so happy in a crowd whose eyes can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past that I remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and ready years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. For where she goes, I've got to be. The meaning of my life is she. so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can't stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas.
Hello, ma'am. Indeed, time has gone so fast that I was surprised to know that today marks your 70th year of meaningful life, especially for the people of Valderrama. But for me, you look 50. You have remained consistent with your love of service, and you are our inspiration ever since. On your birthday, how I wish to tell you so many wonderful things that I have learned in life because you're a part of it. Allow me to tell you this. You are a blessing to us, not only to the alumni and alumnae of St. Luke's Academy, the Lucaeans now, but also to the entire community without Miss Tuding, who mentored us to be good students and citizens. I believe we couldn't have gone this far. Ma'am, you are God's precious gift to us. The gift that has always remained in our hearts through the years, and this will never change.
Ma'am, as you celebrate your 70th birthday, may the good Lord blesses you and showers more blessings. You're so great.
Mom, special persons like you are always treasured in my heart. I am blessed and thankful to have you as my English teacher, our principal, my mentor, my friend. You played an important role in my life. The academic excellence, the discipline, and everything you've imparted to me during my high school days. You are a part of what I am today. And because you are special, I pray that God will grant you all the best in your life. Best of health and more years to live, and a beautiful morning smile each time you wake up. This is a time to celebrate your garden of life, vast and fruitful.
Being a world literature enthusiast, one of the poems that I couldn't forget is the poem written by Longfellow, and it's all about Christopher Columbus. One of the beautiful lines that I couldn't remember is this: sail on, sail on. Mom, you strongly emphasize to us that despite the hardships and the rough seas during typhoons that Christopher Columbus have met along the rough seas, that beautiful lines of sail on is my inspiration. Mom, for that, I couldn't forget you.
Men are like wine, some turn to vinegar, but the best improve with age. A famous birthday quote by Pope John the 23rd. Mom Tuting is like a wine who gets better with age. Her legacy can never be equaled nor surpassed. I can still recall my high school encounters with her. During my freshman year, I enjoyed my English class with her. I will only reminisce those times when she laughed so hard during our discussion of the selection how my brother Leon brought home a wife. She asked my classmate this question: "Who is Moning?" And my classmate answered, "Moning is Apuring." During our 81 pre-tactical inspection, she called my attention for being restless during the ceremonial parade. She asked me why. I answered, Ma'am, duro tigasaw. She smiled and told me, "Urang papuruta kang itimo." I laughed with my classmates, for I thought it was a joke. It was indeed, but on the other side, the message was clear. Discipline during SAT formation is important at all times. Another instance is during our review for the NCEE. She asked me a question which I did not hear, for I was busy with something else. She called my attention again and asked me why. I answered, "Ma'am, duro lamok." She smiled and told me, "Sarong angani dara ka moskitero." Everybody laughed, including me, but this time with full understanding of what she meant. It pays to be prepared always, and don't be bothered by negative things around you. The bottom line, stay focused. This is one style I learned by heart from Ma'am Tuting, and I am proud to say that I did apply it with my students, and I found it very effective. No words come close enough to describe Ma'am Tuting as a person and as a teacher, but I would say she is simply the best. What and where I am now, Ma'am Tuting has played a vital role.
In behalf of Parents Teachers Association of St. Luke's Academy, we extend our sincere and warmest greetings to your 70th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Wish you good health and happiness. We love you.
This is my desire to honor you, Lord, with all my heart I worship you. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore is in you. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone.
Kabilang katapukan ninyo, sana man pag ako kay mau kag nagdayaw ko ganyan ako kanahay daw tama kita ka offered sa diyang dalan sa niyo sa iba ka lang ang mga asasasyon daw mura ka nagdana na participar siguro niya tawag nagdana ka Ginoo katapok ang uyon ako sa Ginoo nga ang kana kang mayad nga lawas kay tama ka na kang masakit yun pagabay pang maglawid man ang kabuhi agad nga duro pa mabuligan ng mga kabataan sa eskwelahan labiring sa parte sa subject na inatidwan ng mga English. Sadyang birthday mo big gina greet ko ikaw kang happy birthday nga kabay pagit nga ang Ginoo maluoy kani mo kawan pag ikaw kang may sa malawit mo.
Si Ma'am Tuting bilang sang kanayo responsible is indeed responsible. Mananyo ko nagdat kay bisan kapoy kag busy si Ma'am sa school. Basta parte sa nayo o kung Ginoong paghahambalan, hindi di magpaurihi si Ma'am. I know her spirit of willingness to serve God with all her heart. Kag kung nag-intro si Ma'am sa among reading sa nayo, everybody listens good. Kay manami kag very inspiring ang anang message. That's why ako kaimaw kang members kang niyo, especially kami nga mga pamatanon, bawal gid ang among pasalamat nga si Ma'am nangin ehemplo kang paglaom kag new life para kanamon, para kami magpadayon sa among pagpanglakatan sa danan kang niyo. Salamat, Ma'am, naging kaaram both sa school kasi na yung criminal way na share ka naman. Happy birthday. I love you.
Young baby, this is a greeting that's really for you on your special day. Distance does not really matter when one is serious about somebody who is important, just for me perhaps, but for my whole school and St. Luke's Academy, as well as the whole community of Valderrama. On this very special day, I bring you the greetings of all the Kenyan Diocesan Catholic schools, ABCs, of which actually you are a part and you have served for several decades now. As we greet you today, we also pray that may you receive all praises and blessing that you need so that you may live your life more fully and that you may serve not just St. Luke's Academy but as well as the whole of Valderrama and Tinque, especially Catholic education. May God continue to bless you. May you have all the praises and rest assured of our prayers. And as we say happy birthday, we also say God bless you in Latin. We say ad multos annos. May you have more years to live, to serve, and to love. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Bilang punto, marapit ang relasyon naman sa isara kay Sara. Kaya pangiting dalawa naman rin kami. Una, tatlo kami, gusto ko na patay rin sa kakani. Nag-imaw lamang kami na dalawa. Share kami sa ganan ng mga problema, habang ano ang mga sa kabuhi.
Good morning, our dear honorary Ma'am Lourdes Luting, dedicated and service-oriented teachers, and dear students of St. Luke's Academy. Today, we are celebrating the 70th birthday of Ma'am Tuting, the pioneer teacher and the pioneer principal of our school, and now our cashier and English teacher. Ma'am Tuting has spent more than 1/2 of our life in St. Luke's Academy, to be exact, 45 years, in teaching, molding the character, and guiding the young people of Valderrama. If we look around Valderrama, it is manned by alumni of SLA who have been trained, educated, and molded by Ma'am Tuting. So, Ma'am, as a tribute to you, we offer this little remembrance. Ma'am, happy birthday. And thank you for your unequal dedication and service to St. Luke's Academy. We will always treasure our sweet memories together. God bless you and happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I love you.
Happy birthday and mabuhay.
Mom, happy birthday. We love you and enjoy your day.
Happy 70th birthday.
To you, Ma'am, happy birthday. Good luck and Godspeed.
And again, Ma'am, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. We wish you more birthdays to come.
Hello,